Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video here, I'm going to show you how to check your engine oil on the F-Series BMW, and I'm going to show you now how to take you this menu. By the way, you want to do this when your car is running, so you get the proper readings. And let's get into this video right now. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to come back here and you want to find the menu on your iDrive. Now, before you get to the next screen, you want to use your mouse clockwise position. So first hit the menu, and this is what happens when you hit that menu. You're gonna be over here at this choices, and this is what you're gonna have to look for. You're gonna have to look for vehicle info right here. So this is the one that you want to look for. Now, when you get your toggle mouse to click on vehicle info, this is where you're going to be taken. So you're going to be taken over here. Okay, now you have two options here. Now this is the first one will confirm if your oil level is fine, but the second one over here below that one will measure your oil. So it will measure it on this scale. Now when you click on this one here, this is what you're going to be taken. You're going to be taken on this screen here, and that option you want to click measure oil, and then you're going to get that reading, which is going to be right here, and it's going to tell you engine level. Okay, so this is going to be your final step. Again, you want to do this when your car is running, so you get a proper readings, which will confirm your oil level, and then you're basically good to go. If you found this useful, give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe, and that's pretty much that. Bye bye.